up the good work here, brother.
Yeah, man, you see that?
At Trench Town. Keep up the good work, brother, because without you, a lot of people don't know what are going in a Trench Town and you work more only for people. Same thing. Me just tell them, I watched them a while ago. Just a watching a while ago, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Just a watching, brother. And me like what you do for Miss Dana, brother.
Yeah, man.
Trust me, and believe me, me know that lady is supposed to love you. Come out the road. You know, the lady is supposed to love you like a cook food peanut.
Yeah, man. Cooler man for do, you know.
Now where the lady the name and the gentleman from foreign there?
Oliver and Carla. Oliver and Carla.
Big them up, me know your mother and father that.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
So listen, I'm going to pay for your grocery there, I'm going to pay for this way I get, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Because I bless you because I say me and you walk and talk, so I'm going to pay for your goods them for you. I put them together.
Yeah.
How you say get it? The last them around here, so. Go on next side. Go. Yeah, go on next side. So I'm going to find my energy read and she is really polite, so. This one?
Yeah, man.
Can roast that one?
Roast that one, yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright, see. Say next Salem man, yeah, big up. See, them say
Salem man, this man.
But in command, I call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because them say everybody's friendly and nice around here.
Let's see, man. When you look on Jamaica, but one thing me see, younger generation never get the country corrupt.
True.
When you listen to this type of song and the message they must send to the smaller people,
it's wrong.
it is obviously I don't know about. Whenever you nobody call for a hotline by saying to the government of Jamaica, why are you allow these things to happen?
Sonia. So we are Sonia here, you know, they are up on the main street, you know, they are walking and see Sonia and we are share conversation, so at least we can bless Sonia. You want me to back for this, please? Yeah, Miss Sonia. I see me if I come here for breakfast, you now say no. You know you're not going to say no. Alright, thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, come.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Hey, it's pure rain, it's raining, right Dee?
Yeah, it's raining.
Pure water, it's all raining here in Oucherias, you know, it's nothing but rain, everywhere is rain. So
Console ourselves.
Yeah, so it's nothing but rain, you know. All day is nothing but rain all over the place. So Dee is gonna get her favorite patties, you know. So we're gonna get some patties for Dee. You know, Dee and her favorite already. She loves her favorite patties. So when rain fall, a patty Dee need. Right? Rain's falling. Dee you want patty? Caribbean style, mini mark, deli, fast food. You want chicken them a porridge over there?
A what?
Porridge. You say you want porridge?
We can get it?
Them a porridge over. Go check and see. Go. Smell food. It's a Jamaican food over there. So.
We say 3 meals a day.
Yeah. Are you gone one already?
Yeah. So you want one?
Oh, Caribbean.
It's fast food.
No, it's Caribbean, man. See there?
Blessing, man. Blessing. We just watch both on LA Lewis.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. I'm here. Subscribe to your thing here, sir.
Yeah, man.
I say,
Respect.
keep up the good work here, brother.
Yeah, man. You see that?
At Trench Town. Keep
Yeah.
up the good work, brother, because without you, a lot of people don't know what going in a Trench Town and you a whole lot of people. Same thing. Me just tell me I watched them a while ago. Just watching a while ago, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Just watching, brother. And me like what you do for Miss Dana, brother.
Yeah, man.
Trust me, and believe me, I know that lady is supposed to love you. Come out the road. You know that lady is supposed to love you like a cooked food peanut.
Yeah, man. Cooler man for what we do, you know.
Now where the lady the name and the gentleman from foreign there?
Oliver and Carla. Oliver and Carla.
Big them up, me know your mother and father that.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir, and keep
Yeah.
up the good work. And
Yeah,
you love
man.
the man them in the
Dream
Trench
team.
Town. Dream team, alright,
Yeah,
sir?
man.
Blessed.
Big up,
And
big up.
Princess,
Thank you.
you're
Thank
welcome
you
to
so
Jamaica
much.
anytime here and don't leave.
Thank you.
Keep on looking more.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Oliver and Carla. Say Oliver, we're gonna meet him soon. Yeah, man. Blessed love. Yeah. So we just see when I was subscriber, the man said, right there, so man said, just literally I watched it a while ago. You know, literally just I watched it. You know, so you see the love is out there, and then I carry past, say, yo, I wouldn't have the YouTuber, you know, so the people them always watch what I go on. You know, they never stop watching, so we give thanks, you know. Big up yourself, all the subscribers, and I will see us in the streets
And stop to say hello.
and stop to say
Thank
hello.
you.
You know, the man should continue with the good work, and we're definitely gonna continue with the good work, you know. So we stop to get some porridge, you know, and then now we're gonna get the patty next, you know. We're gonna get the patty. So as I say, it's been a wet day, it's been wet from yesterday and still wet today, you know.
Get
So
all sick.
yeah, you can ask it now stop get wet, and hopefully we can see some sun, because boy, I want to check out the rivers then, but
The weather.
the weather, you know, we just passed one river when named White River, now it was Brown River. You know, river not clear, brown, so you know once it rain, you know what's always happening in the river.
And imagine whether rain, whether sunshine, we have to be out creating. Just
Yeah.
think about it, right?
So you know we still have to all same way and see what we can get done in anywhere we can at all. So guys, remember, if you're watching, remember, welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica, and while you're watching, please put the thumbs up. You know, that's the golden rule. When you're watching, put the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, you can go and subscribe, you know, and help the thing grow. Keen Life in Jamaica, you know, you think, hello. So please go and check it out. So we're still here in Ocherius. You know, we're still here in Ocherius. See me, you know, trying to get content across. Try to finish off this. So as you can see how the place is, it's wet. You know, it's not too wonderful for us today. Everywhere is just wet. So we're still rolling through. Same way. So hopefully we can get some sunshine very soon. I don't know when, but hopefully the sun will pop back out very soon, one of these days. So wouldn't mind see some sun today. We celebrate like a Independence Day. Yeah. Trust me, D want to go down river as well too.
Yeah, but
You know,
not the weather.
But the weather. We want to check out Motherfed. We want to check out the White River, the Black River, all different type of river them say down here, but you cannot check them out if the weather is like this. You know, you can't check them out. So you have to go and walk about. Because you know, we're gonna get some patties. Rolling through to go and get some patties. Oh damn, rain. You see, I go cash machine. Right.
Those bananas look good. What are we going to cook? We will get some plantain, we go fry. Yeah?
Yeah.
We have beans, right?
Yeah, yeah. Here. Dal man.
Yeah, I'm gonna big up myself.
Again. Go. No. There's so much rain, guys. Nothing but rain right now. Yeah, nothing but rain. Oh no. This is what it's like when it's raining here in Outriers. We got more traffic, more hectic, it's drastic, bombastic, fantastic. It's all about that.
Yeah, never start.
Hallelujah. You know, start easy then.
So different.
Eh?
Then she's chanting.
Yeah, she does good now, the brother. Hey. Where? That's not chicken.
What?
That's not chicken.
What?
That's like
Beef.
yeah. You don't know what chicken is there already.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
Welcome. Tell you, you can't hide nowhere.
Because remember them always want to make stories.
Your heart no good, man, you crush.
Yeah.
Dreadlocks and rust under the shape.
I mean, two different. The man said dreadlocks and Rasta are not the same. Yeah, the man a cuss. I said dreadlocks and Rasta are not the same. Mine a drive and crash. Two different. See?
Because of me.
No, the two man them a cuss. The two of them have locks on them head.
Oh, okay.
So when I say yo, dreadlocks and Rasta are not the same. You see me? So they don't know who's the right one. So I don't know if him are the dreadlocks or him are the Rasta. But them a cuss each other. So I know which is which.
Dreadlock.
The dreadlocks are the Rasta is not the same.
Oh Lord. Look at that leaf.
Yeah. So much rain, man. It's just one of those days, just rain.
Rain.
Rain. Then
still you have to get some jelly. Today the jelly man has to give us the Jamaican prize.
Yeah.
Jamaican prize. We getting some jelly or we go?
Oh, you wanna get jelly? Well guys, so we here we're reaching sentence, you know, come linked up another a subscriber as well too, who invite us to come pass through to come give them a check, you know, because like we here we say we're giving this YouTuber a link up. So we're here in St. Anne's, we're down in Salem. It's called Salem, St. Anne's, you know. It's a lovely community right here, as you can see. So I'm gonna leave the subscriber, you know, she and her is having a chit chat, you know, getting along. So, you know, so while they're getting along, I'm just gonna stretch my legs, you know, from coming from down by an Ouchie. So we're here in Salem, you know, rolling through here. So we're here in Salem, so coming from down by Ouchie. So I'm just there. I walk to check out the pattern to see why. You know me already. Like for walk and stretch my legs. As you can see, it's a nice community and everything. You know, everyone is peaceful and quiet. Very peaceful and quiet. So I decided to, I'm gonna make a walk. You know, we're not far away. We're not far away from Sharky's. You know, so we're close by to Sharky's as well too. So that's another thing, you know, Sharky's where Oliver took us already, you know, so we're very close to Sharky's, you know, on the main road. So I'm gonna try to walk my way back on the main road. So I know it's the same walk, so you know, I'm gonna just walk, you know, and see where we can. But there's some around here is nice, quiet, you know, peaceful, you know, as you can see how the rain do the place. Look, the rain do the place bad. You know, but the place is nice and thing. I have a big breadfruit tree right here. Very big breadfruit. A lot of breadfruit is on it as well too. I wonder if this breadfruit is ready. I wonder if this breadfruit is ready. Hello, how you doing? Coming from work? Well, I'm running in Salem, right? Huh?
Back Salem.
Oh, back Salem. I said back street. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi. You come here, man. Don't be shy. Cause I'm newly here, so we always go around and, you know, check out the places. So this is back street. They call it back CLM.
Yeah.
Oh, come see the sign says CLM. So why they call it back CLM? Yeah, front too. So where's the front CLM?
Yeah, the front Salem and main road.
Okay, and this is off the main road, so they call it back CLM.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's it like around here? Quiet, peaceful.
My camera shy.
Camera shy? Alright, that's a hello then. And bye. So hello. She's
Hi.
camera shy, but she's still a wave when I say bye.
Alright.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, yeah. So she's camera shy. You know, a lot of ladies them is very camera shy. So them say this is back CLM and you have front CLM. So I guess the front CLM is a main road, and the back CLM now off the main road. So as I say, we're not far away from Sharkies. So we're gonna walk and see how far am I really away from Sharkies. You know, so they call it the back CLM. You know, so you know, I'm just stretch my legs and I walk to see where it takes me. You know, when I could cottage, I wonder if that place here sell. You know, that's the land for us here. Oh, see the man over there today. Rasta man. All is well. Big up. Trench Town and the place. Back CLN, so you know me as a youth, I'm very friendly and everything. And a breadfruit pantry. Okay, but not in an avocado. Alright then, big up. Yeah. So you know me already rolling through, so it's like a nice small community, you know, and everything. Blessed, you know. So you know it's a gated yard, 2 big dogs. You can't jump that at all. You know, it's rolling down here, you know, rolling down. You know, the places, I'm saying the places, it looks nice, you know. You know, this is down by, so I know. Well, I know most place is calm, you know. There's no violence I expect, you know, in this part. It's called Salem. You know you have Salem as well too in Westmoreland. So it come like say each place you go, you have a name that sound the same. So you have Salem as well too at Westmoreland. Also, you know, we have Salem and Westmoreland same way, so you know rolling through and everything. Blessed for you. So you know, so you have Salem also as well too in Westmoreland. Salem, right, mommy? So I notice you have a lot of breadfruit trees with so much breadfruit on them. So much breadfruit there. Yes. They're not ready yet. Pure breadfruit. So the first me ever go somewhere and see the breadfruit tree them loaded. So alright, so this is the walk. So now we're gonna make a walk go out on the main road. It's, you know, it's getting dark already still, so you know it goes already when it's getting dark. Quick in Jamaica. Cause them say, watch a breadfruit tree again, it's pure breadfruit. Like them people here not eat breadfruit. Watch a one again, the breadfruit lane this. So I guess we're gonna call around here breadfruit lane. So watch again, a pure breadfruit again pan tree. See that? Breadfruit pan tree. Breadfruit. Roast and fry. All them breadfruit trees are full of breadfruit. Nobody not eat breadfruit around here.
Eh?
Nobody not eat breadfruit around here.
Our community, we know really pick things just tear apart fruit and refuse for one, we pick one. We
Cause
refuse for something we just take it, but we just, you know. Fruit on here, plentiful. Every yard have a breadfruit.
that's what I realize, and everything loaded.
And people don't trouble things. If you want one to go pick it, you don't have to kill the tree.
Okay, but you can take one.
You just take one and go cook. But you don't have to kill, just let it to another man and take one another one again, another man take one. But most of them drop off still.
Yes, cause
food are plentiful.
You know. Cause my name is Kino.
Yeah, man,
Kino Life
man.
in Jamaica.
Yeah, life in Jamaica.
Yeah, Kino
man.
Life in Jamaica, representing for the positive, the love, you know, and we travel as well too. So this is my YouTube channel right now.
Okay.
You know, so
Yeah, man.
my first time down here in the car Salem.
Yeah.
You know, but you know, I've been to the jewels already.
Yeah.
Been to the resort then.
The
So
resort. Salem is here, you know, quiet here, you're free for walk, you're free for everything, people free for, like, bro, I don't like told me you have this here, you can't go that here.
Yeah.
No, we're free, though. We free.
Very free.
Very free. We don't want no borderline and no Dan man and no. We're free to do what we have to do.
Yeah, so
free same way.
yeah, so I'm free for walk up and down and those.
Free for walk up and down,
I like the place.
Talk to anybody,
and talk to anybody. Yeah, cause right away I like your energy. Cause right away I like your energy. You give me a good vibe and I say, yo, come on man, breadfruit there.
Yeah man,
because
breadfruit there right now.
Cause I'm quite surprised from I've been walking down there and each breadfruit tree I walk past is loaded.
No man, if you feel the pick one and pick one and go cook it, that's what you need man.
So them are roast?
Roast breadfruit upon it. Some of them are cook.
Okay, but you know, me as a man, you know, me not really understand the breadfruit then, which one is for roast and which one is for boil.
When you want it darker enough, you know. You just take,
Okay, so
I like all the ones, so big one, ready for roast.
Okay, so these are the roast one?
Yeah man.
Can roast that one then? Alright, see. So next Salem man, yeah, big up. See, them say
Salem man, this man.
But in command, I call it.
yeah, cause them say everybody is friendly and nice around here.
Man. When you look on Jamaica, but one thing me see, younger generation never get the country corrupt.
True.
When you listen to this type of song and the message they must send to the smaller people,
it's wrong.
It is obviously you don't know about. Whenever you nobody call upon hotline by saying to the government of Jamaica, why are you allow these things to happen? Yes,
true.
we know that the young youth want something for them. We know they want money, but do not allow them to corrupt the country with the devil music and slackness.
It's true.
God, the youth them are hearing music is power.
Yeah, man, music
True.
is power.
It is power, because you know a long time Bob Marley has sent the message and what through music.
Let me ask you something. A man never come to you and say, you know, say me have something to tell you about. I don't want a problem.
Yes.
And he don't say it to you, what? For the whole night you don't sleep. Every time you see that person now sleep because you wonder why.
What you have to say? You know, because you want to know what you have to say.
In your education level, word sound is power. So the message that the youth they must sing about free kicking and do down a throat,
And
the government of Jamaica can't tell me not hear it.
Of course. And
So them need to put a stop to these things.
True. It's true, because when you say, just like a baby, it's like a sponge, you know, whenever you hear but the baby can suck up everything, it's like a sponge to them, you know, so.
Alright, look, when Bruce Golding did it, Bruce Golding somehow passed a line. But because of the inquiry do this way, so he didn't get to pass. Bruce did say I'm going to pass the last year, we can't see the power.
Yeah. That's about pants up and waist, you know. Pants with the pan waist.
All these pressure and high grade and them little youth, listen to violent tune and then come shoot you like a bird. My brother, these countries gone bro. Look at Iran. Even though I'm not rate some of them law, because I don't see the reason why you should want to kill a woman kind of born with the head tie. Now I cover that I say, well then, but as can to them at the law then. But the point is, our country, you see the amount of trimmer and one in an earthquake we are getting, because the country is getting out of control.
True, that is true.
Crime, and violence and corrupt, dirty and godly music, the Lord no one hear that in our island.
Take off tax off of food to make the people have.
Hey, that is another thing. Listen, the place is so.
Said, take off tax off of food and stop make the money go bigger. The money, when they make $2,000 bill, the value the country. The value of the country. $5,000 bill. $1,000 they need to ban. Go back to $100.
I'm gonna come back to you that.
All these countries I go to, every one have $100.
Alright.
England have £50, US 100, Euro, but once you make $2,000 bill, $5,000 bill, the country, the value. And time get hard. They make the time get hard. Take off tax off of food to make people can live in the country comfortable.
True, that's true.
Because they give the people minimum wage and put on $3,000, but the tax will kill them so they can't buy no food. And the electricity go up 10 times higher.
Me as a dunce never gone to college, me not a PhD. I did know that from the government. Bring in free health care. Charge you 1,000. I go up, they go pay 1,000.
True.
Because every day clinic full. And if every man can pay even 500 to pull a teeth or $1,000, that is obviously millions the government can accumulate for the year, but for to free healthcare for a poor country, as Jamaica we not produce.
That is.
The red they here, we not make aluminum for we say, we not make neither alcohol we not build. Not the map padlock no build.
Nothing.
So
Nothing.
if you have free healthcare into poor country, so we did know that from that happened, one extra $50 up on a pound of flour if you pay that money. Now then, when
yes, uncle,
you go
blessed.
to the IMF to borrow IMF money, they dictate by telling you how to oppress your poor. Because you not get to build hospital, you not bet if you build school, you have to buy food and them dictate to you. And when you borrow the money, them say, alright, me give you 2 years to give back me 3 or 700 million US. 5 years come, yes.
Blessed.
You cannot find not even half that money. What happen? Inflation. You can't pay back the interest. So therefore the poor man feel it and the politician them house big so.
True.
So I pay big, Jamaica have been building to pay big house, no factory, no warehouse to store food, that if we have major disaster in our country, what are we going to take to feed your people?
True.
If we don't have a warehouse to store food in our country, look how much apple waste, red apple, look how much mango waste, look how much guinea, look how much ackee here time. Where is our factory to store a product?
Nothing.
And to preserve the product, that simply means we can have a better. If Salem did have a factory, St. Louis is better one, Clarendon one, because we have huge amount of land that you can build those factories to make our country better. So at least you have 10,000 or 20 more thousand people can walk come and Salem into a factory. Who now pack ackee, pack yam, do this banana and preserve food for another 6, 7, 8 months. So when we have major drought, the food price now have to raise so high. But we don't have nowhere to store food. We are dependent on too much foreign investment. Investor to come here.
That's the price them. Yeah, that's the price them I get so high.
Yes, because we're not producing as much liquor as we produce when we send anyway. The liquor riff-raff, well, if you cannot buy it at market. Because no man now going to say I get $300 a pound or $350 for him. And can I come market can sell for $100. The amount of food now plant, too much young youth that drink special, on high grade, pants down here so, not working.
Not working.
See you next time.
Alright, respect for that, man. Knowledge. So that knowledge. Yes, I give thanks, man. Fire. Give thanks. I see the man speaking a lot of sense. And boy, I'm not lie. I see really like the energy down here. So the people them is willing to say I am willing to speak to you. Cause I notice everybody pass, them say hello, I walk on, you know. So yes, like that. Okay, finally we have a car wash out here, so me can get my car come wash. Yes, we have a car wash, yeah, so this is the main road. But you have as I say, you have Sharkies down the road down there, and I think you have jewels somewhere along the way. I don't remember where's the turn. If it's down there, I think it's down that side. You know, I think it's down that side. You have jewels, you know. You have jewels down that side. Yeah, man. And you also have shops. So it's a night time now, so this is the night time here down by in Salem. So we're on the High Street. So I know a lot of town know the High Street here is in Salem. So down there you have Sharkies. In that way you have Sharkies. So we're gonna walk by that direction where you got Sharkies down there. We have Sharkies down there as well too. So we are going to walk, I'm going to check out the place, you know, as you can see the place is getting dark. So you know, once it's getting dark, you know what time it is. The mosquitoes them are going to start to lurk. So you have a hard way here, so the main road is here. You know, so we're close by, we are local. Yeah, we're not far away. Alright, my general.
Just got all in the bar.
Yeah, just got on. Yeah, man. Oh, so you have a jerk plaza right here, so. So you have Jerky's, you have Jerky's Sports Bar, you have supermarket. Also you have a supermarket here as well too. This is the Jerky's Plaza, right here. Yeah man, so you have the Jerky's Plaza here, so you have the place right here. So this is the Jerky's Plaza right here. Okay, Salem look very, hello mommy. Today I check out your place, Salem. How you doing? You okay? Yes, my first time down this side in Salem. Yeah, well, me always drive past it.
Okay.
Yes, me always drive past it. About this time now, I come check a friend down here.
Okay.
So I'm me while I'm walking. I know my YouTube, I know I'm representing for the positivity of Jamaica, yes. The love, the change, you know. So I just come out of the house and stretch my legs. But everybody I tell me say
sometimes.
But everybody I tell me say the people down here is lovely and them willing to talk and everything, and it's true, you know. I come like each parish you go in and you have different set of people, right?
Yeah.
That's what I realize. And them say there's no bad and no boundaries, you don't have to worry about nothing. You can free for walk anywhere. Down here is no violence like that. Everybody walk free. You can leave your door open late at night. Hey, but one thing I say there's so much breadfruit tree and them loaded.
Breadfruit?
Yeah. So if you call it a breadfruit walk. Yeah, we'll call it breadfruit walk. I don't understand how much breadfruit upon tree.
Yeah, breadfruit and mango. Happy.
So that's what down here is so famous for the breadfruit? Okay. So that means that we can pack up a whole heap of breadfruit and bring that town then?
Yeah, man.
So you have breadfruit in your yard too?
You can get the one from it.
So you have breadfruit in your yard?
No.
No, none in there. Nearby. So I have to come check your man and you come tell me when I can get the breadfruit them and say I can load up a truck. What you say? So you know so breadfruit and run down is a must.
Yes.
Yes. But I like the energy down here, you know?
Yeah, man.
Even though it's getting dark, so I'm showing them a bit of the night. Place where I like down here, so you know, but that is a machine there.
No.
It's a machine.
Not working.
How you know it's not working? How you know it's not working?
Some of them are not working and nobody here.
Okay.
There is a lot of people.
So, you just walk go back and wait till tomorrow when the place brighter, because pure rain been falling, you know. Yeah. Pure rain been falling. Can come check out here some more tomorrow more night. Better. So welcome to Salem. So them say this is the front Salem and everyone say have back Salem. Back street. So you have back street and front street. So out here say the front street. But the whole place named Salem, right? Okay, the whole place named Salem. That is nice. Yeah, man. Alright, so which one can you get coconut powder for buy?
The supermarket over there.
By supermarket over there, so. Alright. So I check out the supermarket over there, so. They said for you. Supermarket to get some. I want coconut powder right now. Cookies. The Jewel, you know the Jewel resort. In which part today? Yeah, Jewels.
That's what, hotel.
Yeah, I don't get so further down. Okay.
And we get drive further down.
Okay, so I'm gonna reach it. Okay. So we should the supermarket, this one, right?
Yeah.
So we can go in and get coconut powder, right? So you live around here, Mama?
No, we live on the back street.
Oh, back street, me I walk up to you know. Yeah.
Which part around here, you know, which part?
Yeah, man, when you go back and come back down the side, which part we have around here?
Okay.
So me can walk then. We can walk then, mommy. So me have find my new friend, grandma, and second, you know, someone with coconut powder. I feel like I'm going to chef up something. Hey. I was putting on the coconut powder now. Ready? Coconut powder. I was putting on the coconut powder. Coconut. Okay. So you know, in Jamaica, you either can use the natural coconut or you can use the powder itself. So, okay, see it so. Coconut powder. Oh, I'm find it. So,
planning?
Yeah. Two of them. I wonder if we can do a run down in the night, yeah. I mean, look, the run down. Water, we have water. What you buy, mommy?
Buying bread.
So you buy your night snack.
Yeah.
So listen, mommy, I'm not gonna pay for your grocery then, I'm not gonna pay for this way I get, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Because me I bless you because I see me and you walk and talk, so I'm gonna pay for your goods them for you. I put them together.
Yeah.
How you say getting? The last them around here, so. Go on next side. Go. Yeah, what? Go on next side. So I'm find mommy energy read and she is really polite, so I'm gonna make sure I pay for mommy grocery tonight. So get what they get in here, mommy. Them say we have one life to live, so we have to live it with love. That's all it can be. We have one the flavor Lasco. See them there. Yes. I will pay for these for you. But imagine me I walk with them and never get a name.
Sonia.
Sonia.
Sonia Indian name.
Sonia.
Is Sonia the Indian name?
Yeah. But Sonia name too wicked woman. I hope you not wicked. I'm just talking about.
Sonia. Where you from India?
Yeah, man.
India?
Yeah, India.
Okay. See, I need to go visit India as well too.
Yeah, man. Come now.
Is it? So yeah, I did a snack for tonight, mama. Everything together.
Anything else?
That's it. Sonia. So we are Sonia here, you know, we're there up on the main street, you know, they are walk and see Sonia and we are share conversation, so at least we can bless Sonia. You want me to back for this please, yeah, Miss Sonia. I see me if I come here for breakfast, and now I say no. No, you're not going to say no. Alright, thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, you know, because remember, if it wasn't for to pave the way for we younger generation, what would it be? We should go now this way. Alright, come in, mommy. Rolling with mommy. You must tell me when we can come for breakfast still. I come from a roast breadfruit and run down.
Yeah.
You know you have to touch. So out here is a busy spot at night then, right?
Yes.
Out here, so. Night and day. So what time out here so close out?
That's a cash pot place there.
Okay. Okay, the jerk center. And the jerk fish over there.
I never do fish, I know they do pork.
They don't do fish. Yeah, jerkies. And don't say you have sharkies. So you have sharkies and you have jerkies. Yeah. But true, I not eat them things. I'm gonna fish me eat and vegetable.
Okay.
Yeah.
I eat the pork.
Eat the pork?
No.
Good. Me and the same boat. So we are going to sail in the same boat, moment. You know, eat the pork, me not eat the pork. Me not eat the chicken neither. No, me not eat the chicken neither. But I like the energy down here from what we get from the people them so far, you know? What you mean, you know, what you mean? Why the place get dark quick.
Yes.
You know, like, so
It's rain.
this is Salem in the night, walking on the high street, you know, meeting a wonderful Mama Sonia.
Yes.
You have Mama Sonia here. So Mama, you born and grow here in Salem?
No. I'm from the Madras area.
Which area?
Madras.
Madras?
Sentence, yeah.
Oh.
Same sentence.
Oh, same sentence here. And they
I grow in different areas. We're at Montego Bay and Kingston.
okay, so that traveler. Which part of Kingston are you used to live?
Dumbarton Avenue.
Oh, Dumbarton Avenue. Okay, Dumbarton Avenue. I think I know where that is. Dumbarton Avenue. Is that up Waltham side?
Yeah.
See? I think I'm right. Up Waltham side, Dumbarton Avenue. Yeah, the same direction I go. Around there, so I go right. See, we're heading into the same direction, Mama.
Which direction you turn? Down or up?
Up, which is left.
Yeah, on the left.
Yeah, at the same direction you turn on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See me, I go in the same. I wonder if me I go in the same yard.
No.
You never know.
Never know.
Suppose at the same yard we are going. You never know, Mama. So this is what it's like around here when it's become night. You know, them have street lights same way. So late at night you walk to, Mama. Oh, you know walk too late. Okay. Hello. Yeah, okay, not so.
I don't walk later than this. I don't like the night.
You don't like the night? What you don't like in the night?
Because sometimes you might buck up the night one and you know I'm buck up with buck up in.
Okay. So around here is calm and quiet?
Yeah, calm.
No violence?
No violence, you don't have no problem.
Okay, that's good.
No matter. Well, because not even the cocaine, they don't find much of those, I think.
Nothing around here. Can I realize everybody around here like them are develop, you know?
Develop, yeah.
Yeah, so around here look more decent and nice. You know, somewhere we can relax and come and settle down and retire.
Yes.
You know, like, so for everyone that's watching, you know, this is the back street called back Salem. You see me? And you also have the front Salem. So you have any more a street after this? Going
on the street going upward.
or on upwards?
Going up. We have down that side is bottom ceiling. From here go down. The bottom ceiling.
Okay.
And here you call it middle.
Oh.
And then you have top. Further up is top.
Oh, so further up is top. But nothing no go that way. That way that's pure land.
Houses go that way.
Houses go that way. Okay. And
where I'm turning, where I am going to turn off now, you have a different little cutting.
Okay. Different little cuttings.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have houses. And then you go further around, you have another set of houses. You go further up, you have another set of houses. Little branch off them, you know.
Okay, so everywhere look at branches and things. Let's see.
It's a built up area because first time it used to be what we call it now, woodland.
Around here?
Yeah.
Supposed to be a woodland.
Yeah, man. But
back in
you come and buy them little peels and buy them.
And build up.
2 lots or 3 lots and build up. Some person might have apartment house.
Yeah.
I could go there and have apartment house.
Yeah. Okay, so we're walking on the woodlands right now. And you see, so that means there's a lot of changes you see growing up.
Yeah.
A lot. So that means you've been here from the woodland days, right? No, okay.
I come this side when I started to build up.
Oh, when you start to build up.
When I start to develop.
Okay, okay. So this is the...
This is on the front street. See this?
Yeah.
These houses?
Oh, it's on the front street?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is like the back door for them?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So for them, address that'll be the front, not the back. Okay, see there. So these years has been here a long time then. Okay. Community. Are you ready?
GOP meeting, Northwest St. Longer this Sunday, 5 p.m. Brownstown Community College. See you there!
So all the way back there you can see the Spear Land go all the way back. Spear Land. Oh, she's on her phone. I know. So labor right a pass through, promote. Hold on on the big tree.
Hold on by your big tree.
Yeah, hold on the big tree, yes. Hold on the big tree. Good night, good night. I say, yo, I love running Salem. Everybody have manners. Nobody no pass without saying good night or them good evening. Don't you say it's we have to come and grow over again. Right? So, if you feel like say you grow up too much, say you know no more manners, we are bring you come and Salem but come learn again. Everybody pass them out, you say hello to me, you know, good evening, you know. You know, that is so nice, you know. This is a community that I will really love to live in now. Yes. But you have to start from getting somewhere first.
Yeah.
You know. Get a piece of land or something where you can develop on. You know, so them little thing.
The church.
The church, oh, church is right here, so. So this is what it's like walking in the night in Salem. So I'm giving everyone a night view of what it's like, you know. So all these little players, nothing around here a sell.
No.
Nobody now want to sell for them place though. Not even the piece of
They
it.
rent it, but they're not selling it.
They not sell it. Because I guess it's closer to the north coast, to the water side, so it's more like some Airbnb around here, right? I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all. You see, Mama.
So how far are you going now?
Right over there, somebody. Right over there, so yeah.
Oh, enough of the mirrors them you see.
Eh?
Where the mirrors?
Yeah.
But I mean, all the short gentleman.
No, the the lady we meet.
It's a mirror.
So she name?
This is mirror.
Yeah, yeah.
Which one else? That house?
No man, up there.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's one in mirrors.
Yeah.
The one in between is the mirrors.
Okay,
Okay.
so you see you passed my place. You see
No, I'm not passing your place.
you turn
I'm through that street.
Ah, you see look how close you there.
There's a building just after you pass this wall here.
Come walk your home. I'm walking your home. Cause I don't walk from the start, so
And what is your, I didn't get your name.
Kino.
Kino?
Yeah.
Oh.
So my name is
No,
Kino.
I didn't express me as Kino.
Oh, you know somebody named Kino as well too?
Kino, yeah, somebody was one named Kino.
So this is the back part of Salem. So how far you live down?
Where are you from?
Kingston. Mind the water there, Kingston. But me always I move around the country now, getting to know the country from left to right, you know?
Okay.
Spreading the love, meeting all the good peoples them in Jamaica. To make them know say there's so much good people here. You know, people like to meet good people, you know.
Okay.
You know, and from I see you, the good energy just a flow, so mama. You know, see it, man. So me I walk your home, so we walk on the reason, mama.
Yes.
You know, hopefully we can know. So well, as I say, I come for breakfast one of these days. You know, because I say a friend invite you down here.
I have my husband, but he's not well.
Not well.
No, he got a stroke from 2011.
Yeah.
To the left side. Left side, not working the hand. He didn't walk on his foot, but the hand. Not doing anything.
Alright, not doing anything.
Turn on the light. Oh,
Oh, right here, sir?
right here, sir.
Oh, but so we're close then.
Yeah, man, I'm not very close by.
So I come check in at the morning, man, and come say hi to your husband. Because these are man, I do charity where I help out people, you know. Yeah, that is the type of work I do.
Well, that is what we don't get here.
You don't get any help?
Not much. You get like a pension. Like a pension. Sometimes we run out. Something like that.
Okay.
Just depend on God when he come, you know. Because I have a daughter, but she's in England and my mother used to help, but she died.
Okay.
Right. And his children them don't help either.
Okay. So well, you know, I definitely come check in in the morning and come check on you, you know, and say hi to your husband and say, you know, you never know, so what can happen. If say I can come buy a breakfast, you know, I can put on a meal or something, you know.
Yeah.
So I'll definitely try and come look for you tomorrow. You know, definitely.
It's nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
Just like that.
Just like that. You know, so I saw Father God work things in mysterious ways, Mama. You understand? So just the energy how it works, it just pick up like that.
Yeah.
You know, and look how close we is right there. Right, I mean, they're right here. So, because a friend will come check, you know, then invite you down here and things. So, see that? Right, I will meet good people.
Okay.
So, if I ever come, we get breadfruit or roast breadfruit or put on a pot, where you say, you come make some then mask them bad still, Mama, when I lie. So I make you go in and I get them more bite up. So
and you will not to get any because you're not used to it.
Alright.
You're not used to mastica.
No. Not so much of them. So in the morning then.
Okay.
Okay, Mama?
And you take care.
Alright then,
and
you
thanks.
too. Alright then, bless your love. Yeah, so I said we walk and meet good people. So definitely I come check up on her and right away she say her husband, you know, about strokes, and then she had go through the struggle. And just the energy when I get the vibes, you know, when I get from her, and she was buying some stuff. So I said, Mama, let me pay for them for you. You know, because she's very polite, you know, we're walking and we're talking and everything. So this is how it works in life, you know, we always have to look out for each other. It not take nothing to look out for someone. Because that person could even be a family or relative, you never know who the person could be. Because I remember say, we all the one and the same blood. So we don't know where things is stemming from. So this is the back street that we're on. So Dee and her friend India are supposed to have in the longest conversation. So while I say, no, let me explore. You know, let me just explore. So this is the explore that I explore. And here for sure. So I would definitely be introducing her to Dee as well too. You know, so this is how you always meet people, you understand? This is how life is. You never know who you're gonna meet or when you're gonna meet people same way. So you have to always look out for each other same way. You know, and this is me right now in the back part of Salem, you see me? So we always drive past this way. The last time we're going to Bahia, you know, or the Hilton, Jewel's down there, so Sharky's is not far from here, you know. So now finally we have a viewer, you know, a subscriber that call us up, you know, and invite us down. So we'll come and push out, you know, come show our faces here, because you know, say, not because we're YouTube, we're supposed to stay scared or anything. No, we still have to show the same love, same way, you know. And right away we meet up on a great lady, you know, I like her energy, and you see. And if any way we can help, you know, we try and help, you know, say, which is nice. So what I will do, if anything, I will just find out tomorrow if you have a contact number, you know, if anyone watching want to help out a situation for them, you know, that will be nice. You know, we can call them and help out a situation where they can at least get, you know, some meals, some grocery and stuff, you know, something when they can send her. You know, she can go and collect something. You know, so I'll definitely try to bless her as well tomorrow, you know, and see how everything pans out. But hey boy, mosquito yap, I'm mingle for me boy, I tell them. But one thing though, is good things them want to destroy, yeah. But mosquito them bad down here, you know. So guys, so thank you so much for watching, you know. Remember always please to put the thumbs up, you know. If you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, go and put the thumbs up. You know, remember the golden rule is always like before watching. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's go on, subscribe, you know, to keep our life in Jamaica. You know, so blessed love, and tomorrow we will continue this part. Thanks.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.